Then we use this float taste. So probably we took lots of cherries, then we put in a tank, open tank. Then we choose the ripe cherry only, which is ripe one. So basically these are the ripe cherry. Yes. Then next we process them for next process. When we have in wash process like this, we debug them. We debug them like we separate, we segregate from the cherry to the bean. Basically this part. Okay. So this is basically like this is the machine. Filtering machine. Okay. We put the whole cherry here. Then it will separate the bean from the cherry. So we got this, which is cascara. We call this is cascara, which is coffee peel. Again. And then we use this for next part. Then we process it. It can be a fruit fermentation. It can be a barrelless coffee, or it can be a sun-dried or any coffee. So for next, we have 3 different process for that. Like this is sun-dried one, which is the natural one as it is. Then this is the washed coffee, which is this, and this is we call honey process or hybrid process. So this is combined these two. It starts from sun-dried, then it's finished with the wash process. So in this case, this is we call specialty coffee basically. So in this case, where is the coffee bean? There is some fruit left, which is misplaced. Basically the fruit part. Basically this part, later part. So that basically when it's stuck to the fruit like this, we leave it for drying. Okay. We leave it for drying like this. Yeah, it's okay. So when it's drying, the fruits, basically the glucose and sugars, will get caramelized. Okay, and resulting coffee will, you can see, both are very different. The regular or the commercial coffees taste like a chocolatey or roasted coffee, spices, kind of that. But this coffee will taste you fruity, floral, and sweet, more of sweetness. After taste, you will feel very smooth, not like regular milk coffee or Americano. So that is the reason we are not doing a dark roast or medium roast for that. We use light or light roast for this coffee. And this is on your table, that is an Arabic coffee. Basically, in that case, after we fermented the coffee beans, we actually used to ferment in a closed lid tank. Basically, if you assume this is a coffee fermentation tank, from that tank we remove all CO2. Okay, then we close the tank for 72 hours. Then we let it to be fermented like that only, without CO2. That coffee will give you more of different flavors, and also it's depend the elevation of plantation. So we choose our coffee from Chikmagalur and Sakleshpur, where they have done like this kind of farming, which is called shade farming, and lots of shade farming. Basically, it's grown on a shade environment. You can see. Yeah, so these are some big plants, like trees, big trees. This is basically open farming, which is called sun farming, sun-grown coffee. The coffee are directly contact the sun, but these are shade farming, where the temperature will be controlled, and you can say the temperature will be around 24 degrees Celsius there. Yeah. So the coffee are basically get time to grow very slowly compared to this. So that is the reason the Arabica coffee are grown on high altitude, and you will get more of fruity and brighter coffee, brighter flavors. So this coffee is an Arabic natural coffee, naturally processed and Arabically fermented.